Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right away. Place the case on a hard, flat surface and open the lid. Inspect the hinge and internal cavity for debris. Remove lint with a dry cotton swab. If you find grit, use compressed air briefly at an angle to dislodge particles. Once done, wipe the interior with a microfiber cloth to remove tiny dust. Make sure to note whether the noise is metallic at the hinge or a loose insert rattle, because that informs the next step. You now tackle the middle steps methodically. Gently press and move the hinge to reproduce the noise and locate the exact source. If the pods or inner shells shift, cut a 1-2 mm foam shim to fit and place it in the cavity where movement occurs. That absorbs shock and eliminates rattle. For small gaps, apply a toothpick-sized dab of removable museum putty, press, then let set. Once done, recheck movement and repeat patting until the sound is gone. You finish by confirming the fix. Close and open the case 10 to 15 times, listening for any remaining noise and feeling for uneven motion. If the rattle is eliminated, clean residues and let any adhesive cure fully before daily use. If the noise persists, try moving padding locations or slightly increasing foam thickness. Make sure not to block charging contacts. As a troubleshooting tip, mark the loudest spot with a small sticker and show it to a technician if you need professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.